When I started trading options, I had to use my entire refund check of $8,000 every single semester. Because truthfully, the barrier of entry for options trading isn't really low. But luckily for you, I teamed up with Surge Options that now allows you to trade options for as little as $25 a month when you use code Zeus. Now let's dive into the platform. Once you go to surgeoptions.com, which I'll have a link in the description, you would then be prompted to enter your email. Once you enter your email, you would then be sent an email link to actually log into Surge Options. There is no password required. Once you fill out your email and fill out some basic information, you should be prompted to the dashboard screen. On the dashboard screen, this is where you'll see all of your accounts. You'll see your total balance, and you can also manage your billing. To actually purchase an account, you go over to buy an account. So with code Zeus, you actually get 75% off of either option you select. So if you want to do the 50K evaluation route, or if you want to do the 50K instant funded route. With the eval, there is an activation fee of $80, or you can actually select straight to funded or instant funded, and you can purchase an instant funded account with code Zeus for only $249. So if we click here, type in ZEUS, hit apply, notice how that brings your total down to only $249. Fill out your card information and click pay. Once you do that, go back to your dashboard. You should see your account right here. Now, as you can see here, we have an eval account, which we will be trading tomorrow on live. Then we also have a Surge funded account, which is once you pass your eval account, you will now be given a Surge funded account. And how to actually pass your eval, you need to profit $2,500. So as you can see here on the right-hand side of the screen, you have an eval, you have your funded, you have your instant funded, and then you have another eval account down here. You can click the trading rules. So the trading rules are very straightforward.
You need 7 winning days of $150 in profit.
And now you're eligible for a payout. Now the live accounts, you will be trading on Charles Schwab or Tasty Trades. So that's something that's so huge that we've never seen in this space before. You will actually be given a live account to trade on a real trusted broker. Something to also note is you have $2,000 in drawdown. You get essentially 50K in capital. However, you can only lose 4% before your account is gone. So keep that in mind. As we go down to the payout rules, like we said earlier, it requires 7 winning days. After 15 winning days, you're taken to live, and then there's a 90-10 split. So essentially what that means is you keep 90% of your profits and the firm takes 10%. Now, if we go back to dashboard here, click TickSage. Now, TickSage is actually the platform you're going to be trading on. So the same thing like before, we type in our email. It's going to send you a magic link. Log into TickSage. You should see all of your accounts, the same accounts that you see on your dashboard. So if you purchased a 50K account, you should also see that 50K account here on TickSage. And you can select each account by clicking this drop-down menu right here. So as you can see, our eval accounts are in blue, our instant funded accounts are in purple, and our funded accounts are in green. So for this example, we're going to go to the funded account. Now, if we go over to trade here, this is how you can trade stocks. Yes, you can trade common stocks. So let's just say you wanted to click QQQ. This is a great example. You would go down to QQQ, click buy, and something that's also nice is you can even hit sell. So you can short common stocks, which normally isn't available without a margin account. But thanks to TickSage, you are able to short common stocks if you would like to. Now, if we go over to the options tabs here, this is where you're going to enter your option positions. So as you can see here, the blue line is where price currently is. So if you want to go ahead and go long, you can click calls potentially, which is on the left-hand side, click one contract, and then hit buy to open. Or if you would like, you can even hit limit fill, enter what limit fill you would like. So currently the ask is 2.1. Maybe we don't want to pay 2.1. Maybe we only want to pay 2.0. So now you would hit buy to open. buy one contract, and then your order would be executed. If we come back to the top here, we can change the symbol and go over to SPY. So as we can see, now we're trading SPY instead of QQQ. Or if you would like, trade Apple. Any ticker you can think of on the stock market, you can trade. Now, the next tab is our journal. And this is something that I love that they incorporated. So as you can see here, we have 11/24, which is technically the first trading day of the week. You can select what moods you were feeling. So let's just say, hey, we were confident, type something up, da 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 da, scroll down, what did you learn today? And then hit save entry. And now your journal entry is saved. So if you have any questions pertaining to TickSage, please feel free to drop them in the description below, or you can shoot me a message on Twitter at Zeus Trades, ZEUSTRADES. Also, thanks to TickSage, we are doing a giveaway on Twitter and a huge announcement to everybody that's in the Zeus Trades community. I'm giving away one instant funded account this week. So if you're in the community, you will now have the opportunity to trade up to 50K in capital for free. All you have to do is enter the giveaway once I post it. So if you're not in the community yet, I would highly suggest you join the community. You get all of my entries and exits in real time. We do live trading, and you also have a huge assortment of educational content. I hope this video helped you learn how to use the platform Surge Options and TickSage. If you have any questions, please feel free to just drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.